Good morning students, welcome back to GK class. I hope all are good. Dear students, today let us learn about World War II. Okay, chapter 10, World War II. World War II was a horror-filled time in the history of the world. Okay students, horror-filled means strong feeling of fear and shock. बहुत भयानक था Second World War. Okay students, in the history of the world, hundreds of thousands of people were killed in the most barbaric manner. Barbaric manner means cruel manner. Hundreds of thousands of people were killed. बहुत लोग मार गया. Okay students, आपस में they were killing. Then the effects of this war are still felt today. Students, do you know what are the effects? Actually what happened, they used powerful bombs and other weapons to kill each other. Okay students, एक country दूसरा country का लोगों को मार दिया. Means group of countries attacks each other. Okay, during the period Second World War, nuclear weapons were made which can cause heavy destruction in very short time. बहुत छोटा सा very short time में बहुत बड़ा destruction हो सकता है, उतना strong weapons they made. Okay, then its long term effects are still being felt. long term effect हो गया इसको. Okay, इसका जो गैस है, ओके अभी छोटे बच्चे उस कंट्री में स्पेशली जापान में छोटे बच्चे को भी वो इफेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू. हियर आर ए फ्यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस वार. यूज द हेल्प बॉक्स इफ रिक्वायर्ड. फॉर हाउ मेनी इयर्स डिड द वार लास्ट? Students, see help box is here. Okay, Second World War was a global war, lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries. Okay, बहुत countries में involve किया. Okay students, then how many years did the war last? 6 years. 6 साल long ये war था. Okay students, ये लड़ाई था. Second World War. Okay, then when did the war begin? Okay, starting day. When did the war begin? 1st September 1939. Okay, the Second World War, okay, started 1st September 1939. Okay students, then which were the two groups fighting the war? Which were the two groups? Okay, group of countries were there. Okay students, then what are the groups? Axis and Allies. Axis and Allies. Students, there were two major alliances during World War II. Axis and the Allies. Okay students, Axis means Axis alliance were include Germany, Italy and Japan. Axis में ये वाला countries था. Okay students, means group of countries का war था. Okay, Allies, Axis alliance were include Germany, Italy and Japan. Then Allies. The Allied power were led by Great Britain, the United States and the Soviet Union. Okay students, group of countries, okay, then attack each other. Then students, next question. Who was the Prime Minister of England from 1940 to 1945? Okay, who was the Prime Minister of, means this the during the period of the Second World War. Okay students, then what is the answer? Fifth question answer, Winston Churchill. Okay, Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of England during the Second World from 1940 to 1945. Understand students? Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of England during the World War II. Okay students, then on which day did War Second end in Europe? कौन सा डेट में ये end हो गया, खत्म हो गया? Okay students, which question? On which day the World War Second end in Europe? Sixth question answer. Where is that? Here. Okay, 8 May 1945. Okay students, then the World War Second, okay, means end, जब खत्म हो गया in Europe in 8 May 1945. Okay students, then what was the last day of the war called? What was the last day of the war called? Last day को क्या बोलता था? VE, victory in Europe. Okay, what was the last day of the war called? VE, last ये war का last day का नाम VE, victory in Europe. Then On which date did Japan surrender to the Allies? Allies means what are the groups? I told you now. Great groups are there. The Allied power were led by Great Britain, the United States and the Soviet Union. So Allied power को Japan surrender किया. Okay. On which date? What is the answer here? 2nd September 1945. Okay. So students, Japan surrendered to the Allies in 2nd September 1945. What was this day called? Okay, VJ Day means victory in Japan. Japan में victory कर दिए इन लोग. Okay students, then next question. Which event prompted the US to join the war? ये US को war में join करने के लिए प्रेरणा कैसे हो गया? Which event? कौन सा event है? Students, now 10th. Bombing of Pearl Harbor by the Japanese. Okay, bombing of Pearl Harbor by the Japanese. Okay students, the attack on Pearl Harbor was a surprise of military strike by Japanese Navy air service upon the United States. Okay, United States का जो territory है, जो area है, island area actually, this Pearl Harbor is an American lagoon harbor on the island. Okay, means like shipyard. Okay students, American Air Force headquarters is there. Okay students, so lagoons means a body of water, small area of water. इधर लोग जाकर bomb डाल दिया Japanese. Okay students, so this event prompted the US to join the war. Understand students? Now let us learn next chapter. Okay, dear students, now let us learn metal strength. Okay, chapter 11, metal strength. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following metals is used to make steel? Iron. Okay, which metal? Iron. Iron is used to make steel. Okay, you can tick here, iron. Then which of these used to make the filament of an electric bulb? Students, 4 options are there. Okay, you can read it. Then what is the answer? Tungsten. Okay, this tungsten is used to make the filament of an electric bulb. Okay, okay students, electric bulb, sorry, no, electric filament of an electric bulb. Okay students, tungsten is commonly, this tungsten is a chemical element, it is commonly used to make the filament of an electric bulb. जो बल्ब का अंदर का छोटा सा फिलामेंट आपने देखा होगा ना, okay, that like needle. Okay students, so tungsten is used to make the filament of an electric bulb. Then next question students, which of these metals is heaviest and is used to nuclear reactors? Okay students, which of this metal is the heaviest and is used to nuclear reactors? What is the answer? Uranium is the answer. Students, naturally this uranium is a reactive element. Okay, this uranium is a reactive element, also heaviest. Okay students, then it is used to make a nuclear reactors like atomic bombs. Okay students, and many works are there. Then this uranium is the heaviest, okay, naturally reactive element. It is used to nuclear bombs and other things. Okay, then next question, which of these metals is highly resistant to corrosion by seawater? Okay, which of these metals is highly resistant to corrosion by seawater? Okay students, what is the answer? Titanium. Titanium is highly resistant to corrosion by seawater. Okay students, then titanium has highly corrosion, okay, resistance in seawater. Resistant power ज़्यादा है. जो मेटल में जंग लगता है ना, अगर पानी में लग गया तो स्पेशली आयरन जंग लगता है. ओके, लेकिन इसको रेसिस्टेंट पावर है. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये मीन्स corrosion means damage caused to metal. मेटल को जो caused करने वाला मीन्स डैमेज करने वाला. Okay students, so titanium has resistant power against to corrosion. Okay students, then Which of the following is best conductor of the electricity? Silver is the answer. Silver is the best conductor of the electricity. Okay, silver has 105% conductivity. Okay, students. Then last question. Bell metal is a combination of which two metals? Bell metal is a combination of which two metals, tin and copper. Okay, bell metal is a combination of tin and copper. They are also metals. Okay, so students, you understood? Now you can read this chapter and write the question and answers in the notebook. Okay, students? Okay, good. Bye.